I would like to introduce the humidifier. I'm a certified therapist. I because of my job, I usually like using a humidifier while I'm like performing some therapies. And this humidifier, it's so easy to use. Just adding some water, and it's so easy to set up. Important thing is like when you get some equipment, tools, how easy to setting up, it's very important. Just adding water on this humidifier, and that's it. Plug in and it's working on its own. Secondly, I like while this product, it's very quiet. Also, they have like essential oils where I can place it. I'm getting like essential oils with the humidifier. I like a lavender, and there is a like behind of the underneath. You can have a like a little square where with the sponge where you can put the essential oils there to get the essential oils smell. Like I'm using the lavender. Just tap like 5 dips, and you place back. You will hear the click sound, and that's it. Very easy to add oils, and the machine works perfectly, and there's no any extra loud sounds. I like the design too. It's looks very neat and looks very luxurious. I like this product.